What's up guys, I'm Sean. Welcome back to Fix My Home channel. Today I want to show you about this ice machine, under counter ice machine. So it stopped making ice and the light on and off light is blinking. As you see, there is no ice. And I had another video like a couple months ago. I put it and this ice machine stopped making ice and I reset it so it started working. So if you want to check that video, I want to put that video in the link description. Make sure to check that out. So let's just start it. First we need to pull the ice maker out to be able to reach to the back and unplug it from the wall, from the outlet. So, and we can start working on the ice machine. After we unplug the ice machine, we need to take this cover off. As you see, there is a two screw, one here, one is gonna be here. So we missing one, we don't have one, so only one screw. So we have to take this off to be able to see the back. There you go, I just took the cover off. So, and you see in the back here we have an element, and that black wire is going for the element, and we have a white wire on the right, and that's for the sensor is sensing the ice. The way it works, when the ice reaching that sensor stop making the ice. So it's very important to that sensor work good. We're gonna unplug that sensor. It's very simple, you just have to push that and pull it. That easy. You just take that one out and replace it with the new one. You go, I just plug it back and stop blinking. It's solid, so is working. It was the sensor. Just for in case, I'm gonna reset it again, but here I had a little problem. I couldn't reset it, so I had to go back to my video. I put in the description to check that out, to able to reset it again. So if you want to learn exactly a step by step how to reset it, make sure to watch that video. It's very helpful. There you go, I just turned it back on and it's solid, so it just started working. So it was that sensor. The sensor, the way it works when it's sensing the ice is stopping working, and when the ice go down, it's showing that we don't have ice and it's gonna start making ice. So it's very important that sensor work good. So I'm gonna put everything back. First you need to put this one back and then put the cover back on. There is the light bottom on the right side is showing the max ice. So when that one is on, so it's gonna make most ice it can, and it's gonna make it faster. So leave that on. So as you see, it start making ice. So after 1 hour, it stay for a couple hours, at least 8 hours. So it start making ice and it's full. Make sure to destroy the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn the bell notification on. I will show you how to fix the problem around your home without paying anyone. Thank you for watching and have a great day.